Thank you guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is always Freddy Moore. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, and those who have been watching my videos, thank you so much for your support. So without wasting my time, make sure you subscribe, like and comment about this tutorial. So today I am going to show you this song called Twamshukuru Mungu. I don't know the song very much, but I will teach you how to play. Namshukuru Mungu kwamba wewe mwema mana da. Yeah, the song goes like that, so we can play it. Now, so let's start with the melody as always. So we are going to start from this key. This is B major. So the song starts from here. Da 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 da. Yeah. So repeat the same. Again. Twamshukuru Mungu. Yeah, the song is going back, forward, back. So let's play slowly so that you can be able to understand this melody. Like that. So repeat it with the actual speed. That, guys, is our chord. So our chord, you are going to start like this. So that is the first. Dun 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 dun. So like that. The first part, so da 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 da. So after that you go the second part. Like that. let's start. So let me play slowly. After that we are going to play our right and left hand. So let's welcome our bass. We are starting like we are holding this side. So this you start from this D. You are holding the chord of G, but the left hand you are holding D major. So hold like this. Let me play with one finger. Then again from melody until what I have teach you. Let's play from start. So from that, let's welcome our beat. So we are starting with finding our tempo for our drums. 1, 2, 3, 4, like da 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 da. Let's use our tempo of 111. thank you guys for watching. Until the next tutorial, rest me. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And if you have any song you want me to teach you, just leave a comment down below. Thank you guys. Until next time, God bless you.